One last thing for today. I was moving a pile of dirt and some junk, and I found a hammerhead. That should clean up nice. Oh wait, you can't see the eyebrow. Yeah. Ding. Maybe that'll be a video. Restoring a very old ball peen hammer found on the property. Finding tools are always cool regardless what shape they're in. Particularly a large, and this sucker is heavy, a large chunk of steel like this. So that's kind of cool. Well, I don't know why it's so cool, but it's just neat. I found that, and it's a tool, and it still works. Just needs a handle. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.